Alrighty guys, back again here with another video. This one is an unexpected one. My router failed and I ended up having to go New Year's Eve to get a new router. So I ended up picking this TP-Link AXE95 to replace my Asus router that I had, which I'll post somewhere here, the picture of it. I'll do an unboxing and then I'll have a follow-up video on how to actually set it up. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. So let's get right into it. Alright, so here is the actual final box itself. So it has a lot of antennas actually. 1.7 gig quad core chip. It's a 6E type of router, and it has two WAN connections, one gigabit, the other one's a 2.5 gigabit. So here is the side, kind of shows you right here. And if you guys do use a smart home, it is Amazon Alexa compatible, and it's designed to support over 100 devices. And here's the back of it. And then this side right here just shows you we have a web interface, or you can do it through the actual app. So let's go ahead and unbox it. It's a really big box. So you have your accessory box, which I'm just going to guess in here is the charger. Or not charger, but bulb plug, and an Ethernet cable. So Ethernet cable and wall adapter. If you have 6 gigahertz compatible devices, so 6E, and then the Wi-Fi card info, and then your quick start guide. Really nice high quality phone. And there's the router. So it has all the antennas already pre-installed. Looks kind of like a little spider, or in this case a big spider. So on the front, you have your indicator lights. You have a USB 3.0 port on the side. On the back, USB 2.0, on-off switch, the two WAN ports, and then 3 LAN connections. And on this side, there's nothing. It is wall mountable as well. So you get your wall mounts there, and then of course all your serial numbers and all your Wi-Fi stuff. And yeah, that is a really big box for not really that big of a router. So let me get it out of the way. It's been definitely rated very highly on multiple websites, especially TP-Link as a company. So I'll definitely want to give them a try, because I already used a bunch of TP-Link switches and just network accessories. So definitely eager to try their routers. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned. There is going to be a follow-up video for how to set the actual unit up, and that is pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video again. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.